mensen, it's your boy Poker saying I'm back with another banger. Yeah, on today's video, something very light, very simple. My car is giving me stress. It's not stress, it's my own stress. It's just my minor TLC on the car. Okay, just hold on now, okay? So yeah, I'm just gonna go and fix my exhaust because I scratched my exhaust broken. I scratched my exhaust broken, man. Just yeah. My car sounds like a straight bad. I'm now with you, Tylo. Hold on, please. Listen to my exhaust. Alex Power! So yeah, I'm gonna go and fix my exhaust. Yes, just a small vlog for you guys on fixing that, and then I'm gonna go and buy the inner LED lights for brights, because remember I couldn't get that in the previous video when I put in all my lights. And then yeah, we'll see, maybe that's gonna be in another video, but we'll see. But this is just a small vloggy vlog for you guys. Hope you'll enjoy. Yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So yeah, man, I just went to the bank to go and fetch some of that paper that they value for standard numbers. And yeah, that's my going to fix. I got other code by this other bra. He says he's gonna charge me 2 clipper just to weld it closed. Other bra is gonna charge me 250 to cut it out and run and half piece. So I gotta just take it. Also, I'm gonna pay that extra 50 rand. It's fine, I don't mind. Maybe I can bargain with him for start. Let's see. But yeah, plus I broke a mat clip now. It's been hanging on by us. Oh shit. It's bad. It's bad. Plus the school is out, sure. Yeah, they are gonna goose at a dog, man. They're gonna goose at it. Maar daar maar vangen op zo lenen verantwoord. And just like that, man, so we are clear, we are done. Yeah, we are done. My car sounds like my car going yo.